So what is total internal reflection or TIR? Generally, a polished surface is represented as a straight line and some slanting lines below it. When a light ray bounces this plane surface, it is named as the incident. And as it is a plane inside a shiny surface, it will bounce back and will be called as a reflected ray. And for our convenience, we draw a perpendicular line to the surface that is known as normal, and it is denoted by n. The angle between the incident ray and the normal is known as the incident angle, and the angle between the reflected ray and the normal is known as the angle of reflection. And as we all know, angle of incident is equal to angle of reflection. But what will happen if the conditions given to you will not be similar? If the surface is not plain and shiny, what will happen if it is a transparent medium? So let us assume this is air and this is glass. So let us assume a light ray coming from here and this is the normal. So it will refract as the densities of these medium are different. As we all know, glass has less density than air, so it will bend towards the normal and near the normal. But what if the light ray travels from the glass to the air? It will bend away from the normal, right? So this is the angle of incidence and this is the angle of refraction. See, it is not traveling straight. If it would have traveled same straight, it would travel this way. But it has not traveled same, it has changed its path due to the difference in the densities of the medium. And if there is a difference between the densities of the medium, the light will have a different speed. And due to the different speed, we are seeing this phenomena, the refraction. So, when light was traveling from air to the glass, it was traveling from the rarer to the denser. But when the light was traveling from the glass to the air, it was traveling from the denser to the rarer. When light travels from denser to rarer medium, there are three cases. For denser medium, let us take an example of glass, and for rarer medium, let us take the example of air. So this is the incident ray and this is the refracted ray. The incident ray bends like this. If it would have been traveling straight, it would follow this one path. But it has followed this path, means it has bent, right? So this is refraction. Here it is angle of incidence and here it is angle of refraction. So here you can see angle of incidence is greater than the angle of refraction when it travels from denser to rarer. What will happen when the angle of refraction is 90 degree? When the angle of refraction is 90 degree, then the angle of incidence is known as the critical angle. Critical angle is different for different medium and it is constant.